Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hopefully my friends and viewers will be fine, okay, doing well. I'm also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas. Top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about beautiful short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling ideas for ladies and girls, and for those ladies who love to apply these are beautiful hair cutting ideas. So please watch my video till the end. You can see in this video different styles, different designs and different look short pixie hair cutting ideas. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all are amazing, it's all are fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest ideas about beautiful and latest short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, massive pixie and spiky pixie also. What you want to see in the next video, comment me in comment section. You can see in this video latest ideas and latest version about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our amazing and latest ideas, latest fantastic cutest ideas, stylish ideas, top trending fashion and amazing fashion, short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling. Wow, it's fantastic and beautiful, outstanding ideas about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. So don't skip my video, don't forget sharing this video, don't stop and don't avoid, don't ignore these all beautiful ideas, because it's all our latest ideas about beautiful short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling ideas. It's a wonderful ideas, it's a latest fashion, latest version, latest stylish ideas about beautiful short pixie. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's fantastic and fabulous short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy, messy and spiky also. It's fantastic and fabulous and dashing ideas. Short pixie hair cutting. So beautiful and so elegant styles about short pixie. So guys, like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's top trending fashion, top stylish fashion about pixie hair cutting. It's all are amazing and stylish, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy and messy pixie also. It's top trending fashion and top cutest ideas. Short pixie, long pixie. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful short pixie. Okay guys, please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. What you want to see in the next video, comment me in comment section and I will try to my best. Please watch my video till the end. Wow, it's